Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you some basics of text in Photoshop because there's many ways to use text while working in Photoshop. Let's get started and join me to the screen now. Grab the text tool placed in the toolbar at the left. If you right click and hold the text tool, you will see different types of text tools like horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, vertical type mask tool, horizontal type mask tool. We will use the horizontal type tool most commonly. Now just click on it and click on the canvas and see in the layer panel a blank text is created. Let me type edit with Nat 2021 and you can type whatever you want. To make a selection of text, just double click on the text layer and look in the option bars, for some options to modify the text. Here you can change the font style of the selected text. There is a huge list of text styles. You double click on your text and choose any text style you want. Here you can give some normal font effects such as bold, regular, italic. By this option we can set font size. You can click on that icon to increase or decrease the font style by dragging it left and right. You can see the font style is changing. Here are some font adjustment options: center, left, right. Click this icon to open the character panel, which contains all the settings. We can also get this panel in the Windows panel at the very top in the window menu, and in this panel also we have the same options we saw in the option bar. Many more options like kerning, tracking, vertically scale, horizontally scale, font color, and many more options to modify your text. Now make a selection of text by double clicking on the text layer and pressing Ctrl T. Let's have the panel back. To show the transfer, you can drag and scale the way you want, and you also see that the font size has changed non-destructively. Now if you want to change the font style, select the text and open the font style list. You can choose any of the font style from this list and check all the font style list one by one. Then just click on the font style and on the font style name and keep it selected. Then start pressing up and down arrow keys up and down keys to go through the font styles one by one. Let's talk about kerning and tracking. Kerning means adding or subtracting space between two specific selected characters. Tracking means loosening or tightening a selected block of text. Let me change the color of this word, edit, so that you can see the difference clearly while it's tracking value. But let's change its color to red. Make sure the word is selected and change its color. Now the color is changed. First we will change tracking for the entire line by clicking for the entire line. I select the entire line by clicking and dragging this icon. You can also tracking space between two individual characters. For that, just click between those two words, edit and width, and put your cursor there, and the shortcut to change the tracking value is to hold the Alt key and press the arrow, this arrow, left and right. So you are seeing the difference, and the space is increasing between edit and width. You can use the same shortcut to change spacing in an entire line. We can also scale our text horizontally and vertically by changing the values in the vertically scale and horizontally scale option. Let's try it. Vertically and horizontally. I hope you got the basic idea about text in Photoshop and how you can use the text tool. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.